Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss know your computer system. Know your computer system. Chapter 1 for class 3. This is the first video. First of all, today I discuss only for introduction part. Today I discuss introduction to computer. With example. Computer. First of all, what is the computer? Computer is an electronic machine which help us to solve many of our problems. So computer is an electronic machine which help us to solve many of our problems. This is the computer. A computer is a device for working with information. The information can be number, words, pictures, movies and sound. Computer information is also called data. Computer information is also called data. Computer can process huge amount of data very quickly. Computer is one of the most useful man-made machine. Computer is useful. Computer is one of the most useful, not for the useful. Computer is one of the most useful made man machine. Its utility area can be from a small shop to the large scientific research center. The use of the computer is mainly used for the computer is a small organization to the large organization. Everybody go to the mall, everybody go to the shop. Nowadays this is the important time, the useful of the computer. Suppose you go to the market and money is left to the home and only ATM card and there the all over ATM is closed, and then buy to the one such type of product. You go to the shop, and then after the shopkeeper demand to the ATM card, and then after shopkeeper scan this card, and you pay to the amount. So this is the example of the computer. Today there are the four main part of the type of computer. There are the four type of computer. First, microcomputer. Second, mini computer. Third, mainframe computer. And fourth, supercomputer. This is the four important type of the computer. First of all, I discuss microcomputer. Microcomputer are used for the general purpose, and microcomputer is mainly used in the schools. Microcomputer is used in the schools, colleges, and they are the small in. This microcomputer is a small in size and used for the multi-purpose. Second, mini computer. Mini computer are more capable. Mini computer are more capable and used by the company. Mini computer used by the company. And a small organization for providing to large number of companies used to their employee, and this mini computer working speed is very high, and to the storage capacity is more than the microcomputer. This is the third computer, mainframe computer. This machine even some powerful than mini computer and to the microcomputer. This mainframe computer is most powerful compared to the microcomputer and to the mini computer. These machines are mainly used for the big organizations like banks, railway, university, etc. For providing services to the large number of computers connected together. They are also used for the scientific research purpose. This mainframe computer is mainly used for the scientific research purpose. And today the last topic is the supercomputer. Supercomputer, the most powerful computer. Microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer. Supercomputer is most powerful computer. And they are very expensive. They are generally used for doing complex job like weather forecasting, satellite, or missiles, control operations. Param, supercomputer Param. Param 10,000, Param Yuva, etc. are the example of supercomputer. Param 10,000 Yuva Accepta is the supercomputer. These are to the introduction part of the computer. What is the computer? What is the types of computer? Thank you so much.